Hey guys, so today I'm going to be eating a Denny's Bourbon Bacon Burger. I just got it from my Uber Eats order and it's looking like this. It comes with wavy cut fries and I'm about to just dig in. Look at this. This was like my all-time favorite burger. It comes with wavy cut fries and it tastes so good too. Every time I go to Denny's, this is like what I order. Like, I'm the type of person to like order the same thing every time I go to a restaurant. Like, I hardly ever try new things. Like, am I the only one who's like this? Mmm. This is like my first time ordering from Uber Eats. I had like I had a $10 discount code, so I was like, might as well order a burger from there. Thankfully, I received it in like less than 20 minutes because I was thinking my burger was gonna be cold. What do you guys like to eat from Denny's? Like, I really need to try new things. I just always order this because it has my favorite, it has mushrooms and I love mushrooms. Like, I love everything mushrooms, even pizza. I hate how they give like little fries. Like, I'm done with it in like less than 5 minutes. I wish places were like Five Guys, where they literally even put fries inside the bag. Like, I order a small and it comes with so many fries. Like, I can't even finish it. But this comes with like, it always comes with like 30 fries. And I love fries, so. I made like a mukbang, my first one, and it was without talking. And I got requests to talk. So, please leave me suggestions on topics you want me to talk about. Or if it's just random, then that's fine, but like, I always get on camera and I get like a brain fart. Like, I don't know what to talk about. And then I'm too busy eating, so. Please let me know if you like talking or not talking, either one. And if you don't care if it's just random subjects. Because I literally don't know what to talk about. And please let me know if the setup is good. Like, do you guys see everything? Because in my viewfinder, it looks like you do. Or should I put it more down or more up? Just leave me suggestions. Alright guys, so I'm basically done. I always leave like the ad for some reason. Like I never just fully finish it. Please leave me suggestions below of what to eat, what to order. I want to like try new things. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.